Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to change our region, our ubication, our location on Playstore. So the first step is go to the Playstore, and here in Playstore we need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your bubble, and here in the option of your profile you need to go to payment and subscriptions. And here in payment and subscriptions, you need to go to the option of payment method, and here in more payment settings, you need to go here in the superior right corner in these three lines, and here you need to go here where set configuration. This is settings, and here in settings you need to go to the option of país y región. This is country and region, and you need to pick in the option of the pencil, and you need to pick in crear un perfil nuevo. This is create a new profile, and when you create a profile you put all the information and change the region to another country like United States, for example, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.